Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show y'all, I went HYPEBEAST shopping online, right? HYPEBEAST shopping, you know, some stuff I do, you know, buying designer, things like that. That's sort of what I do, is what I like to do, you know. And today I went online and just looked for some stuff and bought a bunch of stuff online, and I'm just going to show you guys it in this video. Sort of told y'all where I got it from, and then just go over the item. And down, just a simple little unboxing we got here. We got a good amount of items here, mainly focusing on designer because that's where most of the items are. That we'll be showing you all. Some of you all may have seen like a little sneak peek of them, but I really want to go into depth on most of them, so not gonna say too much more other than I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you want more content like this, all you gotta do, go ahead, subscribe below, like, you know, do all of that. I don't know where it was, I probably like messed up the order right there, but y'all can do that if you want. I'd appreciate it for sure, especially a like. It lets me know if you want more unboxings. So if you want more unboxings, just drop that like, it's easy. And then also follow me on both my Instagrams, Tristan.Wick, COT Steals, both of them right there, they're in the description. Y'all want to give me a follow, I'd appreciate that also. It'd go a long way. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much more other than I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And yeah, unboxing from online, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna go over is some wallets that I bought. So we got a good amount of wallets here. We got 4 of them right here. So we're just gonna go over the ones that we bought and more in detail. So the first one I copped, I actually sold this and I'm shipping it tomorrow. So to the guy that's watching this, I'm shipping your wallet tomorrow. I'm sorry for the delay. I got your label literally printed right there. You might be able to see it. But basically right here, we got this just yellow Louis Vuitton Epi wallet. Y'all can see this. It's kind of older, but I sold it for a very good deal. Literally follow my reselling page. I sold this for 30 bucks, I think. So, I mean, if you want legitimate, authentic Louis Vuitton wallets, like check for yourself. There's the inside, very clean and crispy. It's a real wallet too. So if y'all want some real deals, go follow my reselling page. I'm not just trying to like throw some promo. I actually sold it for that low, and it's 100% authentic. So I'm just throwing deals out here for some people. So if y'all want more stuff like this, let me know. But yeah, first little item we got just yellow and purple, sort of like a Lakers color. And then, you know, on the inside we got the coins that you can put in there. You know, there's nothing in there, and you can see the condition's quite fine right there. It's just the condition on the inside wasn't the best. Like right there, you can see that's kind of the worn part, but there you go. It's fine, but that's why I sold it for lower, because, you know, but there you go. Big steal I threw on this wallet right here. It's nice and I like it. And honestly, I mean, I remember someone selling this and being like, you know, I just want to sell this for super low because I don't like the Lakers, and they sold it to me for a lot lower because they didn't like the Lakers. But you can tell it's used, it's worn, it's an older wallet. But first little pickup we got right there, LV wallet, little Epi wallet, nothing crazy. That's what they call it. I don't really know how to pronounce it, so if someone want to get specific in the comments, let me know. Second wallet we got right here is this Louis Vuitton wallet. This one is just I think this one's a damier. I can't remember how to pronounce it or even say it, so I'm not going to attempt it. But right here we just got this little checkerboard LV wallet. You got the OG pattern right there. You see it fits in pretty dope, and then there you go, both sides. So that's how it looks. You can tell this one's a little bit more worn, but the inside is actually quite nice, and the material's also pretty good on it. See, there's all the details on it, coins, all good there. Like the condition on this wallet's really good, and I'm also selling this one. So if anybody wants to buy a Louis Vuitton wallet, just hit my DMs on my Instagram in the description or comment below. Like, I'm trying to make deals and sell some stuff here. So if anybody wants this right here, just let me know in the comments. It's a pretty good one. I mean, you can see it's like a little chipped right up there, but nothing crazy. Everything is still attached. And honestly, I'm a big fan of this one because this is a very recognizable wallet too for Louis Vuitton. Like, I feel like most people recognize this checkerboard pattern, especially in this colorway as being Louis Vuitton. I think most people can easily tell that. So if you're looking for something that is recognizable, if that's what you're going for, I think this wallet's very good for that. But then not to mention, you can just tell with the Louis Vuitton Paris right there. I mean, this is all pretty fire, and the material's really good on this one. So this is a good wallet. I mean, it's not like the favorite one I have because I'm about to show you all my favorite one that I did cop. But this one is pretty sick, and I'm glad to have this one because, you know, I'm selling it, so hit me up in the comments. And next up right here, this is my favorite wallet. I've shown this one, and this is actually the one that I personally use. But next up, we got this Gucci wallet right here. I think this one is super dope. It's clean. You can tell right there. There it is. You just got the Gucci going down. Very recognizable, I'd say. Also, main reason I got it, I was like, hey, this is a flex. I mean, I'm not trying to flex all the time, but I was like, this is a dope wallet to hold some cash in right there. We got this one. There y'all can see me in the little reflection from the metal part. It's just a little coin case. You can tell this holds a bunch of coins. This is the biggest wallet too. This is a huge wallet. Like this has trouble fitting in the pocket. Like here, I'm gonna try and show y'all. Like, look, like this has trouble going in the pocket. Like, it's even hard for me to take out. But yeah, you can tell right here, this has got this wall right here, and then the inside's very clean. It's got a little button that sort of pops in and out to open the inside. And you know, there's like my ID and stuff's right there, so I'm not gonna really do too much. But there's the inside. It's clean. So you know, we got the inside of the wallet there, and then you know where you could hold like cash or anything. I usually just put my stuff in my card, so I don't like carry cash on me, because you know, if someone robbed me, then I'm just gonna be like, I got nothing for you, bro, but here's something they can track you with if he takes my card. It's stupid. But yeah, basically just got the OG Gucci pattern wallet. I mean, I really mess with like the line down the center. This is my favorite part of the wallet by far. Sort of like the green, red, green. You know, just I don't know. It's iconic. It's dope. and I like everything about it. So I'm glad to have this one. Someone's blowing up my phone right now. I don't know who, so I'm just not gonna respond. But yeah, Gucci wallet, definitely my favorite one. The one I'm using right now out of all of them. This one is not for sale because this one is just too, like, I like this one too much. And you know, I found this one for a deal too. I got this for a really good deal. Like, I get all my stuff for deals. If y'all are trying to learn like me, I've dropped plenty of videos on it. You guys always are asking me about how to resell and things like this. Go do a little bit of browsing, or DM me if you want to know how, and I'll send you those videos, because if you don't want to find them, I'll find them for you. But yeah, Gucci wallet right here. Don't want to say too much more other than there's all like the patterns and details on it. Like, you can tell just the double G, the buckle, like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of my belt a little bit right there. So I kind of got it to like to match that a little bit too, but also just because like the double G pattern's just dope and iconic, you know. Next up, we got another Gucci wallet right here. This is an old one. This is a vintage Gucci wallet. So this one's actually a bit more valuable. You can tell this is the very real leather. Like, look on the inside, you can see that's worn leather a little bit. And this is a very authentic wallet. Also, I mean, this is good material. I mean, this is as legit as the leather gets. There you go. Same pattern as my other wallet right there. Just as you can tell, look, by comparison, they got the exact same pattern. Just one is a little bit more recognizable, which is this one. But honestly, I like this wallet for its quality more. If I were to say which one has the best quality out of all the wallets I've shown, I would tell you probably this one or the other Gucci one, or maybe the LV ones, because LV wallets last for a while. Those ones are just a bit more worn on video and also just like in general. But if you gave a comparison of both, if they were in dead stock condition, I'd probably say Louis wallets are slightly better, but I like Gucci wallets more. That's my opinion. But right here, this one's another dope one. You can just tell we got the double G pattern, and then, you know, there's both of everything right there inside. You know, just, it's dope. I like it. It's nothing too crazy. This isn't like a major flex, but this one is just like classic. If you know what your boy means, it's just kind of classic, you know. I'm a big fan of Gucci now. I used to hate on them, but I'm a fan now, and this kind of stuff makes me a fan of them. Just seeing like the old vintage stuff that's really dope still. I like this. So, fourth wallet cop. 4 wallets in one unboxing. Did I go overkill? Let me know. Let me know. And also send me offers too on this wallet and this wallet. I'm selling them too. So if anybody wants out of there these wallets, just hit me up. I'm selling them. Hit my DMs. Alright, but next up, I want to show you all just a little quick tee. I don't want to go over this one for too long. But next up, we just have the Supreme. Oh my god, I literally forgot the name of this tee. And I bought it. And I forgot the name. Okay, so no, I don't remember the name of the tee, but here it is. And I literally bought this last week. But here's the tee. This one's pretty dope. I really like the front design right here. Just, you can clearly see it says Supreme. And I mean, it's one of my favorite tees. I took a picture of it on my personal Instagram. If y'all want to go check that out. Description, quick plug, you know. But getting on topic again, I like all like the colors that are on this tee, and also just like how it looks. Like, look, I don't know, it just looks pretty cool. Like, it's different than what a normal Supreme tee is, in my opinion. Supreme usually just put normal screen prints, which kind of I feel like designs are a little bit boring. Because this season has been great for Supreme, I would just say. I mean, they've been kind of hit or miss for the last few weeks, I'd say, pretty easily. But this one is actually something I think was pretty sick. It's not reselling, I don't think, at all right now. But maybe in the future I could see it. But I don't know. It's just more of a personal cop, and I think this one's dope. Just all the colors and variety on it. Like, you know what I mean? Just, it makes me want to wear it a ton. But I can't do that because I can't overwear my tees, because then they get in bad condition, get boring to wear, you know what I mean? This one's just kind of dope, so I want to keep it special like that, you know? And you know, I'm wearing Supreme right now, so there you go. Fold that one back up though for the boys, you know what I mean? For the boys. Why do I not know how to fold a t-shirt now? But next pickup that I have, this one is not really hypebeast, but I did buy, as I said, I was gonna buy more LED lights. So I copped more LED lights right here, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna be using these LED lights because I said I was gonna wrap them around my door now. So once this video's done, I'm gonna edit it, get it out, and then I'm probably gonna wrap these around and, you know, see how they look. So pretty excited to see how that goes. And you know, we got a lot of these in here, so gonna try and work with them, and I don't know, see what I could do. Like, if I have more space, I'm gonna be adding them to some different places. Like, I'm gonna try and add them to my shelf up there, maybe like try something around my exercise mat. I don't know, I'm trying to do something dope, so I'm gonna figure it out. You boys gonna need some ideas, you know what I mean? But yeah, more LED lights, just a random one. So I'm gonna put those right there. And finally, I would say the best pickup out of all this like whole unboxing. I mean, we did get multiple LV wallets and Gucci wallets, but that's off the top. My next favorite purchase, or my favorite purchase from all this, other than my Gucci wallet, is this one right here, the Supreme bling towel. I'm gonna be putting it on that wall over there. I said it's getting a Supreme towel to put on that wall, and this is the one I'm gonna be putting over there. So here's what it looks like. It's 100% authentic, came from Grail, along with most of these items, because yeah, I find all my deals on there. I've told y'all that so many times, but hopefully I hold this up correctly. The Supreme bling towel, this one is dope. I mean, I think it's sick, so I mean, I copped this one, you know what I mean? And yeah, so we got this wallet right here. Just, not wallet. This is not a wallet, bro. This is a towel, but yeah, you know what I mean? This is gold, and you know, you see it has like a little bling, you know, diamonds on it right there. just on the towel, and it's kind of sick, and I don't know, just it fits my taste, so I copped it. Alright, I'm back. I had to handle some business right there quickly. That took me about 30 seconds, but yeah, basically, I think I'm holding this upside down, so give me a sec. But I'm gonna actually hang this up right now and then let you guys know how it looks, because I want to update you all in the video. So we just got this Supreme towel, and you know I got the Artist Supreme towel up there. That one cost me a good bit, but this one was a little bit cheaper. Still pretty expensive since this is an older item, the bling collection, you know, but the Supreme Bling box logo, and the different items they dropped with that one. The towel was one of the ones included, and I thought this is super dope. Definitely a slept on one. It's not actually that expensive at all. I got it for pretty much market. I didn't get this one for too good of a deal because, you know, I just was a little bit impatient, but I wanted it ASAP, so I copped it, and yeah, you know, put my mind to it and grinded to get this towel. So we got the towel now, and now I'm about to show you all what it looks like on my wall, so let's get to that. All right, so I did it. I just used some duct tape and I taped it up, so there you go. That's what it looks like. You know, I think it looks pretty nice. You know, we got the little, hey, got a little Supreme tag right there, you know what I mean? But yeah, right there we got the Bling box logo towel, just hanging up on my wall. I just thought it'd look good on this one since, I mean, here, look. Now y'all see what I'm doing? Look, one Supreme towel right there, and one Supreme towel right there, and we got more LED lights to go around since I got them going all around my ceiling. So I'd say the room's been going pretty hard lately, and now we got the towel. So I mean, you know, all the walls are covered, and other than this one, so I'm gonna put some skate decks or something there. So hit me up if y'all got some like dope skate decks or something, because I may be copping tonight, because I think I need one to hang up on this wall, because then I think I'd be pretty complete almost. Or no, for this wall, because this wall's completely empty, not that one. It's like pretty much the ceiling right there, but I'm not gonna say too much more. So let's roll that outro. Anyway, so hope you guys do enjoy, or did. I don't know how I messed that up. I literally was thinking say did, and I said do still. It's all up here, bud. But yeah, not gonna say too much more, so we done with this video. But if you guys did enjoy, please go ahead and drop a like in this video. And if you're new, go ahead, subscribe. I do plenty of videos like this, and all relating to fashion. Like, I talk about a ton of topics related to fashion and streetwear. Like, it kind of just, you know, my channel's about everything to do with it. So if you guys need anything like that, how-to videos, how to style, unboxings like this, I pretty much do it all. So just go ahead, subscribe below, and drop a like. And yeah, that'd be huge. That'd make my day for sure if y'all would do that. Go ahead, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. If you got anything for sale, any offers on the wallets. Because I was talking about I'm selling these two, so if any of you all have any offers on these ones, let me know in the comments or DM me on my Instagrams in the description, which you guys can go follow both those down below. I'm not gonna pop up anything on it, just they'll both be linked in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just thank you all for watching. Seriously, it makes my day when y'all watch my videos, so thank you. And I'm not gonna say too much more. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all again for like the for like the 20th time. I kind of killed the purpose of the thank you by saying it so much, but I mean it, so thank you guys. I'm done. Peace out.